In this video, I want to show you how to control your music, take calls, and have access to all the different features on your Skullcandy Smokin Buds. So let's get started. First of all, if you take them out, you put them in your ears and one of them is not working, by the way, to turn them on, you simply have to keep press on the Skullcandy logo over here, 1 second. This will turn them on. If you want to turn one of these off, you have to double tap the Skullcandy button and then keep press during 1 second. This will turn off one of these earbuds in case you just want to use one of them and you don't want to put it back in the case. If you want to play pause your music, you simply have to tap the Skullcandy logo on either of these, okay, left or right. So over here the music was playing, now it's pause. If I press again on the Skullcandy logo, it's playing again. If somebody is calling you while you're using them and you want to answer, again, tap once on the Skullcandy logo on either the left or the right side and you'll be able to talk to that person. If you want to volume up, to use volume up, you simply have to double tap quickly the Skullcandy logo, again on the left or the right side. It's going up simply by double tapping. If you want to go volume down, well, triple tap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have to do it multiple times if you want the volume to go completely down. There's no fast way on how to do it, but yeah. 1, 2, 3. These earbuds have 3 different EQ settings. So to switch between them, you have to tap 4 times on the Skullcandy logo on either of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will change the EQ settings from music mode to bass boost mode. And there's also podcast mode if you do another 4 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to hear in them a voice telling you in which EQ settings you are. If you want to factory reset them, you have to keep press the Skullcandy logo during 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, keep just a tiny bit more until the lights are completely off. And then, okay, these are factory resetted. Put them back in the case. And now next time you take them out, they will be in pairing mode, ready to be paired again with a new device. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.